Good morning. It's Monday morning. How we doing out there? All right, today I'm going to take y'all on the daily grind. My day by day. Now it's 7 a.m. I've been up about an hour answering all the comments from yesterday's video. It might not be what everybody wanted, but that was my Saturday night, you know, 268, 9 hours after expenses. I netted about about 240 something, 250 something, whatever it was. Anyway, a lot more than I expected because I talked to a couple of guys and they've already told me that, you know, they had a goose egg, man. They were dead Saturday. So I don't know why. Maybe I was just in the right place at the right time. Anyway, as you can see, I got the charts up already, following SPY and everything. I won't be trading much today. I might get a little bit in between if the setup presents itself. But if it doesn't present itself, there's no trade to be made. We're in crazy times in the market. But I got two clients today. We got to take care of them. And so, yeah, without further ado, let's get this money, y'all. All right, so we're on our way to get the first client. It's in Delray. I pick up at 9:15. Just got fuel. Just cleaned up the truck. Again, $51 to start the week on fuel. I'm telling you. We're going to talk about what's going on with me and how we're going to get this Tesla. But first, let's get some road work in, y'all. Okay, so I found another use for this Vic Seed car mount that they sent me. Check this out. It is so maneuverable with the ball head. So I can go from there just by maneuvering the ball head. I can change angles and perspectives like it ain't nothing. That's pretty cool, especially when you want to do time lapses or get a POV of what's in front of you. It kind of moves everything out of the way. Who knew? All right, so it is 9:13 a.m. My client's running about 5 minutes late. No big deal, because I was here 10 minutes early, which is how you should do it. As you can see here, we're going from Delray down to Fort Lauderdale Airport. I'm doing a favor for a friend today. So the two jobs are normally her jobs. I don't do as much driving as I used to. I try to stick to Rideshare and then work in my other streams, creating other, you know, forms of income, because we all know you can't count on this shit. It's when they want to move, or, you know, like we talking about with the apps, you can't count on these apps. So you create your own money. You generate your own income streams. Should be a nice, easy drive. GPS says I'm all clear. So just dropped him off. Listen, y'all. This dude just cut a $3.5 million deal. Right there. His ass was right there on the telephone. We was having a conversation. He said, "Excuse me, Vinny, I'll be right back." 10 minutes later, $3.5 million deal. Cut. The fuck was we doing in high school? Son of a... Anyway, I'm gonna go home. I got a couple hours before my next ride. And yeah, I'm gonna go try to make 100 in the market in a couple hours. And this guy's cutting $3.5 million deals. Man. All right, so we're back in the office. You can see, got everything opened up there. You can see that right there. That's Eddie. In the mornings with Eddie and Vinny, I'm about to hop on this live stream. So let's go over there, and I'll see y'all when I head back out. It's a day in the life, bro. See that, y'all? We're on the live stream now. And Eddie is crying on the live stream. He's crying on the live stream, y'all. All right, we just finished the live, and it went a lot longer than I thought it would go today. You see Eddie's still there. Eddie's back there. You can't see him. And all I can say is, listen, I am unapologetic in what I say. It's how I feel. but I'm open to having good conversations. With that being said, I didn't make a trade in the market because the market looks not good today. So we're going to get out of here. We're going to go get my next client, and I'll see y'all when I drop her off. Well, that's another client down. We're good to go. I am officially done with work in the private sector. Not sure if I'm going to make a run out tonight because it's just been slow. I might go out there and test the waters. I might just hold off until tomorrow. I know we got a concert tomorrow night, Tuesday night, in my area. I know I've got clients on Thursday. All these flights I took out today, they return on Thursday and Friday. So, I mean, I've got work. Why spend the fuel? Why waste my time? That's the beauty of having other streams of income. You don't necessarily have to go out here and waste your time. So, I'm going to go grab some food. I don't know what I'm going to eat yet. I'll look at the markets when I get home, see if I'm right. The moves are in the afternoon, not this morning. And other than that, we'll wrap it up.